Hello everyone, my name is Shreyas Thanawala and my roll number is 21GG10037. So today I'm going to disassemble and assemble this hair dryer that I've got. So let's start. So here we have disassembled this hair dryer. So yeah, this is the inside of the hair dryer. So we'll start from its parts. So this is a fan and it has a motor connected to it, and this is a heating coil, and this is a switch. So this motor rotates in such a fashion that it rotates this fan, and it rotates in such a fashion that it sucks the air from this side into the machine, and when the electricity passes through this coil, it heats up and thus heats up the air that is passing through. So now we'll move on to another part of the video, that is reassembling this, and my mom would be really unhappy if I was unsuccessful doing that. So let's start. So now is the time that we'll check whether it's working like it was before. So yeah, I think this part is working, and now we'll check whether the fan and the motor and stuff is working or not. So yeah, it is working like it was before. So thank you everyone.